Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I will show you how you can add vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So it's a very easy process, but make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. First thing first, all you have to do is access your wallet right over here. You can do it from your settings as well as from the wallet app itself. As soon as you do that, you will find this kind of interface where you will be able to see this plus icon on top right corner. When you tap on this plus icon, this will let you know from the access to add the information of your Visa gift card. So what you have to do is you have to access your physical Visa gift card. And then once you have accessed the Visa gift card of yours, you simply have to go ahead and add in the physical information. Now currently I cannot do that since I do not have the proper setup for the purpose. But if you have added any other cards as well, it's the same process. Just like you added your credit card, debit card, all you have to do is tap on the plus and go ahead, add the card number of your Visa gift card, and then confirm it, make sure the numbers are correct. That's it. That's all it takes for you to connect your or add your Visa gift card to the wallet. Once I've added, confirm it, and you can simply choose the cards when you're trying to pay for something, so your payment can go through Visa gift card itself. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.